Friends, in today's video, we will see how to merge multiple PDF document into one single document. How to make these 4 different documents merge into one single document. So it's quite simple. As you can see, these are the page 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see here page 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the PDF document what we have right now. So for you to merge, now when you type combine PDF, you're shown multiple options here. So just click on combine PDF, and this is where we will upload the file what we have. So once you click on upload and select all the pages, open. Now you see everything is uploaded here, but the page is not in order. So you can always change this by drag and drop like this: 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now you see pages in order, and all you need to do now is to click combine. So it shows 4. You can add, delete, modify from here. You see this, and once you are sure of the document which you want to combine, just click combine. You see here, this got downloaded here. This is the downloaded one. You can see here combined PDF.pdf. Let me open this, and now you see you have this combined PDF downloaded here, page 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's as simple as that. Here it is not just merging of PDF, but if you want to convert PDF to doc, doc to PDF, PDF to JPEG, JPEG to PDF, PDF to PNG, PNG to PDF, PDF if you want to compress, or you want to crop PDF, you will be able to do this for free online. And this is quite a handy tool for you to work in case you have to work on PDF anytime. So hopefully you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.